So, it's been about a month since I started using the HP Omen 16 with Intel 14 Gen i7 and RTX 4060. Here's my honest review. This unit has 16GB DDR5 RAM with 1TB SSD. It comes with Windows 11 Home and all the basic Microsoft apps. The unboxing was very minimal. I got the laptop, a 230-watt power adapter, and a user manual. So first, let's talk about the design and build. It's made out of a really good quality plastic with a matte finish, so it doesn't attract fingerprints. The HP Omen 16 can open up to 180 degrees, making it more flexible and versatile. Design-wise, it is not at all aggressive as some other gaming laptops. Instead, it feels very professional and premium. It sports the Omen branding on the back and on the chin. That's it. The rest of the laptop is clean. This particular model has a TKL backlit keyboard with only a single white light. No RGB on this one. But there are other upper models of HP Omen 16 that comes with a backlit keyboard. The speakers are located at the bottom on the front side. And to be honest, they are really loud. Great for gaming, content watching or listening to music. The weight is around 2.5 kg. It is not very light but not very bulky either, especially by gaming laptop standards. It also has these 4 exhaust vents, 2 on the sides and 2 on the back for pushing out hot air. The intake vent is located on the bottom and it's very large. It has really powerful fans that get really loud when you use it for demanding tasks such as playing AAA games with max ray tracing. Let's talk about connectivity. On the left, it's got 2 USB-C ports and an audio jack. And on the right, it's got a single Type-C USB port. The charging port is on the back side along with an RJ45 network port, an HDMI port, and another USB-A port. It also has Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, so wireless connectivity is good. The display measures 16.1 inches diagonally, and it's a Full HD 1920 by 1080p display with a 144Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gaming. It has thin bezels on the side, but the chin is a bit bigger than I'd like. The peak brightness is 300 nits, which is adequate for indoor use, but as soon as I take it outside or in a bright environment, I can instantly feel it slacking. The display is anti-glare, so the reflection and light beams won't irritate you. However, due to the anti-glare properties, the color accuracy like contrast and vibrance will feel a bit compromised. Speaking of colors, this display is 62.5% sRGB rated. So if you want to do professional color grading on it, I'll recommend you get a secondary display. It also has a Full HD webcam that supports 30 FPS videos and quality is quite decent. For privacy, it has this camera cover slider. If you attend a lot of video calls, then you'll be happy to hear that you get some built-in options like background effects, auto framing, and video noise removal. In terms of performance, the Intel i7 14 Gen HX processor and 8GB RTX 4060 graphics card is a killer combination. I played a bunch of games and got impressive results. First, I played Witcher 3 with maximum graphics and ray tracing set to maximum. Without DLSS, I was getting around 55 FPS. And with DLSS turned on, I was getting around 100 FPS. The laptop started getting hotter and hotter. The CPU and GPU temps were around 80 and 90 degrees respectively. In the lowest settings, I was hitting 200 plus FPS with DLSS. I also played some Elden Ring and got 60 FPS with maxed out graphics. Elden Ring is locked at 60 FPS, so even if your system is capable of more, it won't go higher than this. I also use this laptop for editing and the performance is very good. I exported a 4.5GB 4K project on Premiere Pro and it only took 6.5 minutes. I also ran a few benchmarks on it. First, I ran Geekbench 6. The CPU scored 2677 in single core and 14495 in multi-core. The GPU scored 97581 in OpenCL and 4781 in Vulkan. Then I ran Cinebench R23. The CPU scored 1977 in single core and 18339 in multi-core. Normally, this laptop is used for everyday office work like typing, browsing, and a bit of content watching. It lasts for about 3.5 hours to 4 hours on a full charge with mixed usage. and judging by gaming laptop standards, it is really good battery life. So, after using the HP Omen 16 for about a month, I can confidently say that it's a solid all-rounder for gamers, creators and everyday users. The performance is top-notch and cooling system does a decent job of managing the heat, even under load, and the speakers are really great. The display is smooth for gaming, though not ideal for color-sensitive work, and the design feels clean and premium without going overboard. Sure, the brightness could have been better and I do wish it had RGB lighting at this price. But if performance and build quality are your priority, then this laptop delivers big time. So, if you're looking for a powerful gaming laptop that doesn't scream gamer and can also handle editing and everyday tasks with ease, the HP Omen 16 is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up this one. If you found the video informative, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.